What's up, YouTube? Back at it. So today I'm gonna vacuum out the truck, and I had a vision on how to make the camper better. So we're gonna play around in there today. What in the fuck kind of shit is Duramax that? God. Alright, so I haven't recorded it all, but this was my vision. That's my access cover, so we'll make a door for that. All of my 1/4-inch board got sprayed, so I'm gonna have to pick up another one of those, and then we can cover that up. I'm gonna have some cup holders, gotta have a place for that, and then eventually I have another USB mount for the front. And that's it for now. So I'm just cleaning up, putting everything in there. Wow, looks great on camera. Been working on this thing all day, and it is working. Look, finally got that. It's turned on. So we got a battery charger in the back. I got an extension cord. Now I'll go back in. It's like 5 or 6 feet long. It comes out of there. And then but yeah, that's it. So I do have another cover plate coming that I didn't really leave room for. But yeah, so now I have Alright, so I got most of it together. Turn our lights on here. So there she is. We got my inverter switch, which will power on the battery charger. So we got a Milwaukee charger. Still retain that space. Now my toolbox is back here. I think I actually gained space. I was worried about losing headroom, but I had the inverter behind the pillow before, and now it's underneath here. So I was able to set the bed back further, which means my legs are actually more stretched out, which is pretty cool. I was thinking about screwing this in, but I know me, I'm going to be in and out of this thing all the time. So I think it's better left the way it is. There's definitely more upgrades that I want to do to continue making this a stealth camper. But right now I'm just going to hot glue my Velcro back in, and that's it for today. Now, this whole thing started with the idea of cup holders. So tomorrow morning I will go to the junkyard, see if I can't steal anything out of any camper vans, and then I'll have to take the whole thing back out again, drill some holes in it, put my cups in. And what I'd really like is like 1, 2, 3, 4 cups right there. And it won't all just be for cups, but it'll allow me to keep stuff in there. Looks great for only one in cup holders. So when I bought the trailer, it just came with this center section here. I already made this one, slid it in, and used some isolator. It's a different material. This is like 1/8-inch Luan. This is like 1/8-inch compress board or whatever. So now I got the second one done, and we're sliding her in. Does anyone know if I can buy one of the Max Air fans and retrofit it to an opening so I don't have to mess with the roof? Alright, check it out. I just put in this header board to hide the mechanism while you're the door opener while you're in the trailer. course, I left it open. But it's higher than the door, so it seems less likely to hit your head. But it's still there. You still gotta duck. Alright, that's not really that big of a deal, but I thought it was cool. Alright, YouTube, today I'm working in the trailer again, and taking apart furniture to make cabinets. Alright, I think I forgot to take all the videos. So we cut up our pieces of furniture. We got scrap wood, saw, power washer, piece of molding. So this is where we're at so far. And we got that cabinet there. We had to cut down that bar and move the brackets. We have this bottom shelf cut out. We're gonna put a piece of molding and some supports. Got that cabinet in there. Cut it on an angle. That's what I'm about to do on the molding. And we're coming along. Eventually I'll put some books up there or something, and I know you don't want weight up there, but I don't really give a shit. Because it is what it is. But it's looking cool. And stay tuned because this is its own video. But we have to clean all of this out this week because we're gonna bring home an MG midget. Who the fuck knew? An MG midget. Tuning back in, it looks great. Got some more supports in, but I need another piece of pine to do my next shelf. Alright, day 2. I got everything back in here after I emptied it. Looks pretty cool. Lots of weight up high. Just swing the whole trailer around. Anyway, it looks good. I just finished nailing in these bars here. Bars, I'm such a metal worker. These pieces of wood here. Slots, rails, whatever. And then I got this piece here that I'm gonna put over top to drive because there's no way. So that's it.
Oh wait, one more thing.
Forged in fire.
No, we don't know yet.
Alright, here goes. Alright, it's pretty cold out, so this is my outro. Since I'm editing, I figured there's a few more updates that I'm not going to keep. I'm not going to talk about the trailer, but I made another shelf in the trailer, finished the shelves, that came out great. But what I wanted to show you was the camper. And we got our USB switch. Our battery's not so good, but we're at 12.7 in the sun today. Got this. The plug, and this just turns on the USB plug and that. Of course this works, I talked about that plenty of times. And we have our cup holders, which I ended up ordering online, couldn't find any at the junkyard. And of course, you know me, I put LEDs in them. Now all 4 of our switches do something. And then this one's the cup holders. And the last one is our fan, which is in there. So that's the camper. Came out pretty well. I think that's it on any additions or modifications to it. And it's good. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the videos. Appreciate it. This motherfucker's got a big dick and tiny little balls. We out.